Hi guys, welcome to channel. So how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and that's the search box to click, and then enter your model number of your motherboard B760 DS3H AX version 2 V3. Then hit enter. Then click on title. Then click to support. Select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. Both installations process same. WLAN means Wi-Fi, and just click to download. It will start downloading in the download box. Then just open it and double click to exe. Then click on yes. And this is done, and then close it.